If you've been contacted by the insurance company for a truck or a commercial vehicle that struck your vehicle and caused injury, please call Hark Law at 866-HARK-LAW. Do not fill out their forms. Do not call the adjuster back. Call us. Anything you say, these commercial insurance carriers will use against you. The accident may have just happened, or it may have been 6 months ago. But these insurance companies are not your friends. They will use your words and your writing against you when it comes time to pay a claim. I have the experience, knowledge, and skill to represent you against the insurance company and the driver that caused your injuries, caused you to lose your income, and caused you to have substantially changed your life. So reach out to us either by the webpage, email, or at 866-HARK, HARK, LAW. Thanks.